But this, turn right.
Come on.
Hey, I'm Retro. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have very exciting news. If you've been following me on Instagram, you guys know that I use copic markers. I've always used copic markers. A couple months back, they discontinued their old refills and everything, and now that they have new ones that they're finally getting in stock. Some countries got them a little bit beforehand and stuff. But I actually found a website called Scrapbook Pal. I'm not sponsored by them, or I'm not sponsored by Copic Markers, but definitely go check them out because their markers are on sale right now. So the markers, you pretty much will get the same refills, about 13 markers in one. So instead of continuously buying the same marker and over again for $8, and then just having all this marker clutter everywhere, you can just have a refill and just pretty much, you know, store more and everything. So it's pretty cheap right now. They're like $5.40 right now, and like I said, it's worth $5.40. Is a whole lot better with 13 markers than continuously buy a marker for $7 or $8 and everything. Add it up and do the math. But I highly do recommend it. These markers and everything. Yes, I do know that I have not posted up my art video yet. That's in the works. Actually, I was waiting on these as well and everything. But definitely be ready for that. If you guys are curious more about copic markers and like the type of work that I do and can do, this is the channel. I will be showing you guys tutorials and everything and techniques that I do. Hopefully I'll be able to help you guys out, and then I'll just learn. We all just learn as we go and everything. So definitely like and subscribe to see all the else that I'm gonna do, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.